What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this, please can everyone like, comment, share, subscribe? I have to ask this at the start of every video because no one does it. Please start doing it, people, man. Please start doing it. I might have to start saying this randomly in the middle. Like I might have to say, oh, so this is what the upper looks like. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, I think I'm going to start doing that now, you know. That's the way I'm going to get the views up and the numbers up and all that stuff. But yeah, I keep hitting on Adidas for Yeezy slides, which is quite odd because I've never had luck with anything else ever. But with Yeezy slides, I just keep getting them and getting them and getting them. What's funny is I only entered them for a laugh, like for banter, literally for no other reason, just to like laugh at them and be funny. And so far, I've won 4 raffles, and I've probably entered, I don't know, 6, 7 raffles. So that's a good, like a real good ratio. Yeah, that's the word, ratio. That's a very good ratio on, you know, winnings and losses or whatever you want to call it. I think I'm doing good. On sneakers, never won anything in my life. However, Adidas, shout out Adidas, man. This is why I'm kind of moving to stripes now. Well, not for trainers, footwear, but clothing, definitely Adidas over Nike. Just because of zip pockets, but I'll get to that in another video. Let's get into this one. So what's annoying about this one, yeah, is like slide, and then I do my videos this way, so it's quite odd, but we move. So as you can see, it says slide, then it's just plain brown on this side. It says Yeezy Slide, made by Adidas, and then little Adidas logo, Yeezy Slide, and then it's plain cardboard on this side as well. This is what I mean, the box is kind of, it felt odd, but we move. And at this bottom, it's mostly plain, but it's got an Adidas logo there. Very important to notice that. Then it says Yeezy Slide, made by Adidas. Then it's got the sticker which says Yeezy Slide, US 7, UK 7, D7, whatever that is. I still haven't checked that. So what I found odd about this is all the sizes are 7, like it's just universal 7, which is quite odd to me. But we move. F40.5, J255, CHN 250. Like the sizing, just the way they done it, it's just quite odd to me. So this style code is FZ5896, and the color is flax, 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 flax. I don't know why they need to write that 6 times, but it is what it is. And let's get into it now. These Yeezy Slide Flax, 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 flax. What are those? Oh man, everyone knows what these look like. Like, you know exactly what this looks like. I don't want to say it, but we know everyone's thinking the same thing. If you wear these, wow. I heard they're very comfortable. I've never actually even put a pair on my foot. They're not my size. They're a 7. I enter for a laugh. You know what I'll do? The next one I'll enter, I'm going to enter in my size. And if I win, I swear down, I'll wear them. Just, I don't know why, but I'll actually wear it. I don't know why. So let's start from the bottom. We got that, I don't know what you want to call it. Ridged. Is it ridging? I don't know. But it's ridged. It's like a McCoy's crisps on the bottom. It's got a line. If you see that line, it goes all the way around. Very important. If you don't have the line, unfortunately yours are fake. Then it's got this like little indenting thing. Very important to notice that it wraps around like that. If yours don't have that, they're fake. And also this pair comes with a nice little scratch or defect or whatever. I didn't even notice that. Thank you very much, Adidas. And then, you know, brown upper, or I should say flax. A little Adidas in there. Which is, you know, I prefer the originals logo, but I don't know why they did this, but it's okay, I don't really care. and it's got a little sticker, and the sticker has, can't even zoom into that properly. It's got all the information of what the box has. So made in China, US 7, UK 7, FR 40.5. Bruv, I can barely see them. My eyes are starting to hurt. That actually peels off, but I'm going to leave it there because I'm not keeping these. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention this bit as well. It says Yeezy, it says 7 US, and it says made in China. And I want to know how, like, people know if they're real or fake. Like, I'm sure you can just make fakes. Like, I don't know, but it just baffles me. Like, can't you just churn out like a million fakes and then just sell them all to someone and no one will ever find out? I'm not promoting it, but I'm saying, like, how can you tell what pair is genuine and one pair is not? Because I literally cannot tell. And I know a lot of sneaker stuff, but I can't tell. And then it's got a little thing there. I don't know what to call it. A little speed bump in there. But yeah, people, man. I don't know who actually likes these. Who actually wears these? Have you got a pair? Do you rate them? Do you hate them? I personally will never wear a pair. Even though I said I will in my size, but I don't know. That's if I win that size. Hopefully I don't. But I just, nah, man, I don't see the hype behind them. Okay, they can be comfortable, but come on. Like, really? Like, a lot of people that wear these may be considered as attention seekers or whatever, but I don't know, man. Because I've been seeing a lot of fake versions, like Primark and all that stuff. You can't tell the difference. And if someone's wearing them, like, if Primark released them, would they be a hit? Like, if Adidas wasn't a thing, if Yeezy wasn't a thing, and Primark released these, would these be big? I really don't think so. So that's why, you know, Kanye has always got Kanye on it. You know, Kanye is Kanye, and whatever he makes and touches, it always sells out. So it is what it is. Can't hate the guy. But I really don't have anything else to say about these Flax slides. I really couldn't think of anything I need to say, to be honest. I'll be honest. But yeah, that's literally it from me for today. As always, on foot video to follow, so you can see how these look on foot, how ridiculous they look. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And most importantly, take care, people.